And we're running a Toa wananga, which is a wananga for youth here in Sydney. This is our second wananga so far. And our program is all about Maurakau, haka, and whakawhanaungatanga, which is mateship. The majority of our age is from 12 to 18. You know, we're getting the 10-year-olds, but they're handling it quite well. So the boys learn the values of respect. They learn the values of the Maurakau, and we relate that to the values of life. This is our first time for, if not the majority, the whole lot of them. We work through them right through the wananga, and our goal is to get them confident to use the Maurakau, get them confident to haka, and by the end of our wananga, they do it with discipline, they do it, you know, with ease.
Going from being undisciplined boys to boys who can stand there for 10 minutes without scratching their noses. So that's one of the highlights.
One boy, he's lost his way a bit. One boy, he's lost his way a bit in life. He's never done any of this before, so he's finding himself slowly. So he's come to this wananga, you know, mixed in with all his family, whanaunga, hopefully going back as a positive boy. Well, I learnt my stuff back in New Zealand. I learnt it over in Maurakau Island and tutored by Mita Mohi and his crew. I'd like to bring that kaupapa here to Sydney, and by the time they leave here, they're one family. But I encourage other nationalities as well, whether you be Australian, whether you be Lebanese. If you want to learn our stuff, it's open. And my goal is to get through to the young ones, because they're our next generation. But eventually I'd like to open this wananga to adults, any pakeke who want to learn. And eventually we can have our young ones, who are our rangatahi, and our adults and pakeke working together as one. I definitely want to see that. That'll be great. I feel this wananga is very important for us as Māori people here living in Sydney.
Taking the first step is always the hardest, but if they can open up their doors and compete in kapaka groups or do stuff such as tutoa, then yeah, it should be a good outcome in Australia.
How important do you think this is?
Yeah, vital to the you know, sustaining our culture here in Australia, the Māori culture. Yeah, vital, because I don't think there is anything the likes of this around.
So I'd love to make this wananga stronger for our people, so they can have somewhere to come to, and then we can build on our culture, build on our tikanga, build on our values, and everything that comes with it together as Māori.